Vidaforce products, distributed exclusively by VidaFirst, were developed as a personal viral defense system against the rapid spread of many viruses like the coronavirus SARS-CoV-2. According to the Center for Disease Control (CDC), SARS-CoV-2 and the disease it causes is named Coronavirus Disease 2019 (COVID-19). On January 30, 2020, the World Health Organization (WHO) declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern, and the coronavirus has since spread exponentially throughout the world. This is particularly due to the contact spread component of the disease. SARS-CoV-2 can survive on surfaces for days. One of the major ways the virus spreads is through hand-to-hand contact and through contact by touching a surface where the virus has landed and then touching one's mouth, nose or eyes. The CDC recommends regular and thorough hand washing to help prevent the spread of the disease, but hand washing only kills the virus already on one's hands. The likelihood of viral contact is expanding daily. VidaFirst has developed two essential products under the Vidaforce line. The first is Your Invisible Glove, which includes antibacterial soap that ensures the best and most thorough cleaning possible by killing the virus with a professional-grade cleanser. The problem has become that people believe if they wash their hands or sanitize them with an alcohol-based sanitizer, they are germ-free and will stay that way. From the second they are through washing or sanitizing, they are immediately susceptible again. People unknowingly touch a contaminated surface or touch someone and become contaminated. A continuing virus-killing screen of protection is the only solution to the problem. Vidaforce Your Invisible Glove provides a minimum of 4 hours of virus-killing protection by using a unique, proprietary, and patented mode of action that penetrates the epidermis, the first layer of the skin, to provide continuous virus-killing protection. A normal glove can pick up and spread the virus, but Vidaforce Your Invisible Glove kills the virus and continues to kill the virus for over 4 hours. The second product in the Vidaforce line of products is the Vidaforce Mask Spray, which renders almost any personal protective mask virtually impenetrable to the virus. However, simply wearing a normal mask may help in stopping you from spreading the virus, but when you wear the Vidaforce Nano Copper-coated mask along with the all-in-one Vidaforce virus-killing sanitizing mask spray, you are using the next generation of virus protection.